In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a what-if analysis using Tableau Public. This is a powerful tool for envisioning various scenarios by altering data parameters and seeing how outcomes may change. To start, you'll want to open the Tableau Public app. If it's your first time, it's a robust platform for visualizing data, and downloading it is a breeze from the official Tableau website. Once you have it ready, fire it up and let's get started with setting up our worksheet. With your worksheet open, navigate to the top menu and click on the drop-down list, looking for the option to create a parameter. Parameters in Tableau are dynamic values that can be used to replace a constant value in calculations, filters, or reference lines. Name this parameter growth percent and set its display format to a percentage so it's intuitive to understand. Now, we want to define the range for this parameter. Choose Range and set the minimum to 1, the maximum to 1, and set the step size to 0.01. This will allow us to simulate scenarios with growth and shrinkage. Click OK to finalize this setting. Next, we'll create another parameter called churn rate percent. Just as you did before, ensure the display is set as a percentage, and select a range with a minimum of 0, a maximum of 1, and a step size of 0.01. Click OK to apply this parameter. These parameters act as the levers for your analysis, letting you explore various hypothetical situations. Now, let's move on to the next step by creating a calculated field. Click on Analysis in the menu and select Create Calculated Field. Give it a relevant name and type in the query that corresponds to your analysis objective. Once you've checked that everything is correct, click OK. With the groundwork laid, drag Order Date to the columns shelf and configure it to display the data by quarter and month. After that, drag it again, this time to the Filter shelf. Select Years, and choose the years you're interested in analyzing for the study. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Continuing with the setup, bring Region and Segment to the Rows shelf. This adds depth and context by allowing analysis across different data segments. Next, drag Sales into your view to visualize the core metric you're evaluating. Follow this by dragging the calculated field you just created into the view as well, integrating your what-if scenarios directly into the visual analysis. Lastly, navigate to the Parameters area and opt to display both parameters by selecting Show Parameter. This will make them interactively adjustable in your dashboard, allowing you to dynamically assess how shifts in growth or churn rate impact your outcomes. There you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to setting up a what-if analysis. With these tools at your disposal, you're equipped to probe deeper into your data and craft insightful scenarios that could greatly inform strategic decisions. Happy analyzing!